Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, JURIDAI's founder, and today I'm going to explain the principle of balance regarding AI, regarding artificial intelligence. And it's important to be clear that the most regarding the law, the legal must be consists of the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. So with respect to the AI, it's important to get any way of enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties regarding it, to the extent of the way in which the AI exists in each situation related to the law. That is, in each situation in which rights and duties apply. So the balance that is required is not the balance that some people try to get once there is the non-fulfillment with the law, once there is the non-compliance with the law. Because in that way, for instance, a court can try to get a kind of balance based on, for instance, proportionality. And that proportionality can mean a proportion with respect to the weight of a right faced to another right, or the weight of a right with respect to another duty or with respect to a duty. So it's about a hierarchization of rights and duties through that vision, through that view, through that concept of proportionality. So it's not about that. It's about the balance that must exist to allow the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. That's the legal balance, the balance of the law, the balance that is the ideal of the law, the most of the law. Because through that balance, or properly, when that balance exists, there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. That's the legally valid balance. So it's about this balance with respect to AI. And how to get this balance, it depends on each case. So tailored to each case, that is tailored to each situation related to an AI, the parties, the humans related to the AI must decipher how the law, how what is defined in the law, how what is defined in the whole of law applies to it. And in that way, they are going to get clarity on how this balance exists. That is, they are going to know which is the balance that allows the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist. So it's about, in the end, the articulation that exists when there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties, the harmony that exists thanks to the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. This is the balance. This is the justice. This is what is fair. This is the fairness of the law. This is the must of law. So this is about when it comes to how to get the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. Of course, to get this balance, or properly to know how this balance exists, there are different elements. And that's why in our in-house legal training services, we explain how this principle, and in general, how the principles of law exist regarding AI. Thanks so much for your attention. And I invite you to www.juri.co to know what we do, to know our offer of in-house legal training on this regard, and to know our blog. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.